Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. This is Mizan Rufik, who is conducting the class English Grammar class 8. Dear student, due to coronavirus, our government and our schools jointly arranged online class. As a part of this, today I am taking my class. My topic is changing sentence. My topic is changing sentence. In the previous class, I have discussed about the differences between two sentences, two systems, that means conversion of sentence and transformation of sentence. Now, and in the last class, we have discussed about changing sentence regarding affirmative to negative and negative to affirmative. Now today, I will review the class and also I will discuss different sentences such as assertive to interrogative, and vice versa. Dear student, now I am going to review. Follow me. I am going to write some sentences. I have a few friends. F-R-I-E-N-D. I have a few friends. Negative. Number 2, I am only 2. Negative. Number 3, I had to do it. I had to do it. Negative. Number 4, I am to do it. I am to do it. Negative. Number 5. There is mass water. There is mass water. There is mass water. Negative. Dear student, I have written here 5 sentences. At first, you will follow it and try to do it by yourself. And also, and look at the question first. I have a few friends. Negative. I am only 2. Negative. I have to do it. Negative. I am to do it. Negative. There is mass water. Negative. So, I am going to write down the answer. You will follow it. I have a few friends. I have not many friends. I have not many friends. Many friends. F-R-I-E-N-D-S. Number 2. I am only 2. I am not more than 2 or I am not less than 2. I am not more than 2. I had to do it. Here we can find that had to and to. Both are modal auxiliary. And in this regard, if we want to change it in the respective modal auxiliary, we have to do it in this way. If there is had to, so could not but. I could not but do it. I could not but do it. And I am to do it. It is also modal auxiliary, but the difference is that this is past tense and this is present tense. So here the answer is I cannot but do it. I cannot but do it. Number 5, there is much water in the glass. So the answer is the opposite of mass is little. There is a little water in the glass. There is a little water. So I would like to request you to follow these 5 answers. Number 1, I have a few friends. The answer is I have not many friends. Second, I am only 2. The answer is I am not more than 2. Question number 3, I have to do it. The answer is I could not but do it. Question number 4, I have to do it. The answer is I cannot but do it. Question number 5, there is much water. The answer is there is a little water. And now, dear student, I am going to write down another example. Question number 6. The earth is round. And here, this is the event of universal truth. And in this regard, we have to answer. If you want to change it negative, the answer will be negative into interrogative. Negative into interrogative. So the answer is not the earth round. Isn't the earth round? The earth round. And another question is that question number 7. I am the best boy in the class. I am the best boy. Here, this is superlative, and in this position, if you want to make it affirmative, if you want to make it negative, the answer will be positive form. So the positive of this sentence is that no other boy is as good as I. So here the answer is it is superlative form, and to make it negative, the answer will be positive. Another following. Dhaka is the busiest city. Dhaka is the busiest. B-U-S-I-E-S-T. Dhaka is the busiest city. Make it negative. Look at the question. Dhaka is the busiest city. The answer will be no other city is as busy as Dhaka. as busy as Dhaka. So, here in this way, we can practice a lot. By practicing a lot, we can develop our career, we can learn a lot of grammar, and also we can overcome any kind of situation. Now, we have completed changing sentence. I am trying my level best to write down the question and also solution from affirmative to negative. Now, I am going to discuss about another question. And all the topics I am going to discuss regarding transformation of sentence. Transformation of sentence. He is a good student. He is a good student. Make it imperative. Number 2. He is a regular student. He is a regular student. Interview. Number 3. He has finished his work. He has finished his work. Interrogative. Now, dear student, I have written here 3 sentences. Now, I am going to read out the sentences. He is a good student. He is a regular student. He has finished his work. We have to change it into imperative sentence. Now, follow this. Question number 1. He is a good student. Isn't he? As all the sentences have auxiliary verb. So, of course, the auxiliary verb will be used at the first position of the sentence. You know that to transform the sentence, to change the sentence, if there is to change the sentence into interrogative sentence, auxiliary verb must be used in the first position of the sentence. So, the answer will be, isn't he a good student? Isn't he a good student? In this way, the answer will be, isn't he a regular student? Isn't he a regular student? Regular student. Number 3. Hasn't he finished his work? Hasn't he finished F-I-N-I-S-H-E, finished his work? And now I have written 3 sentences, and these sentences are, he is a good student. The answer is, isn't he a good student? Number 2, he is a regular student. The answer is, isn't he a regular student? Question number 3, he has finished his work. The answer is, hasn't he finished his work? So, dear student, today I have discussed about changing sentence or regarding changing sentence. I have discussed about affirmative to negative and assertive to interrogative. and I believe strongly. I am trying my level best to conduct the class. I hope that you have understood me. If you fail to guess anything, you will ask me. Inshallah, we will try to solve the problem. But dear student, I would like to request you, during staying home, we will practice a lot to develop ourselves, and we should bear in mind again and again that presentation, production and practice. Today, I have discussed two things, presentation and production, and also I have tried to practice. In this way, if you do it at home, if you use your time properly, of course, you can develop yourself. Another important thing, I would like to request the student, while staying home, you should not keep yourself only for remaining yourself in study. You should try to make relax. You should try to I would like to request that means your parents to allocate some time to mix with you, to allocate some times for you, and you will also, while staying home, you should read, you should take a relax, you should eat a lot of balanced diet, you should sleep properly. That means I will request you, as we are bound to stay home, you should not waste a single moment of time. But I have not told you to read more and more. Actually, you should read while it is the time of reading. You should relax while it is the time of relax, and you should eat while it is the time of eat. You should sleep while it is the time of sleep. You should pray while it is the time of pray. So, dear student, thank you very much for attending my class. Thank you everybody. Goodbye.